Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Working on the XJ again today. So now that we got the front end situated, the Jeep is pretty much ready for the road, and now it's all about the cosmetics. As you can see, already started prepping for paint, but I wanted to show you the wheels that I picked up. These are actually factory XJ wheels, the coolest ones in my opinion, from I think the late 80s, early 90s XJs and Comanches. Now they may look a little bit boring and stock right now, but we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take these right now, get my tires mounted on the new wheels, bring it back to the shop, and I'll show you the plan. All right, we're back. We got the tires mounted up. I know it still looks a little bit boring, but trust me, I'm a visionary. Let me get this thing lined up and I'll show you what I got in mind. So pretty much I'm going to be painting these to end up looking like this. It's kind of an American racing style wheel inspired look. We're going to start by scuffing it up. Got some 360 grit scuff pad and clean up the wheel. Next, tape it off. Got some sharp razor blades because there's a lot of cutting involved. Then we paint, and then finally when the paint dries and get all the blemishes off, we can polish it. They actually polished out a lot better than I thought they would. I don't know if it's showing up on camera too well, but this one definitely looks a lot better. So this one is actually completely done since it's polished. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount it to the Jeep, get it out of the way. So this one's getting its first coat. It's drying right now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and prep this wheel. Just with the scuff pad like I was talking about. Nothing fancy here. Now that it's scuffed up good enough, I'm just gonna clean it off real quick. This is just some basic cleaner. Seems to work. So I'm gonna let that dry off real quick. I put it up on the spinny chair and we'll put a fresh blade in here. Okay, let's get started. All right, got the wheel all masked up, looks pretty good. Now we can move it over and get ready for paint. So we'll finish up with this paper here. Let's shoot it with some paint. All right, this is coat number 2. It's looking pretty good. Just one more coat, I think, and then we'll be all done. So I let it dry for a little bit, but not completely. So the paint is still a little bit sticky, but I wanted it to be a little bit wet. That way it wouldn't flake off when I pulled off all the tape. And that's pretty much it right there. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but there's a lot of sticky tape residue that we're gonna have to get off. I'm gonna use some Goo Gone to get all that off, but I'm gonna wait for the paint to dry the rest of the way. So all the wheels are done now. This one's completely done, polished and mounted. These two are still drying, and I'm gonna show you guys how to polish this one right now. So we got some metal polish here. I got a hand applicator, and then the magic polishing ball on the drill there. So we're gonna put a little bit of this polish on the pad here, and then just apply it by hand over all the aluminum spots. I guess we'll do half the wheel at a time. Now that that's on there, we can take our drill here and then just run over the whole thing. We'll wipe it clean with a microfiber, wipe off all the excess, and you can already see the difference between these 5 and those 5. That's pretty good. So I got them mounted up here, guys, and the next thing to do is paint the Jeep, and I think it's really gonna tie everything together, make it look a lot better. So the wheels are done. I hope you like how they turned out. I certainly do. Like I said before, they really remind me of them American racing wheels, those classic American racing wheels. I don't really like how these wheels look stock with the center caps and everything, but painted up like this, I think it really changes the look, and it really does a lot for these wheels. But that's what I have for you guys in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Take it easy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.